So this is a weird turn of events. The Google Pixel watch that John Prosser leaked over a year ago was just found at a bar, leaked by Android Central. Let's get into it. So the last time this happened, it was the iPhone 4, over a decade ago. And let's be real here when we say this is a really bizarre thing to happen. How do you leave a watch in a bar? Apparently it was in a box. Come on, do you really believe that? A watch is on your wrist. Why would you take off the watch in a bar? This is incredibly careless of whichever employee did this, okay? A watch that is heavily rumored by a lot of people, a lot of sources. We have renders of the watch from people like John Prosser, Android Central, all the big Android people. But this person just lost their job, pretty much, purely because of their misjudgment. I mean, come on. Bringing an unreleased product to a bar and leaving it there, that's kind of Apple's thing. Stop trying to steal their thunder. This is something that I thought we learned not to do a decade ago. Clearly we're still here. What the f***? Alright, that's it. I can't anymore. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you on.